How to delete invite message on Instagram. So start by opening the Instagram application on your mobile device or accessing it via a web browser. Once you're on the home screen, locate and tap on the messenger icon, which is situated at the top right corner of the screen. Now open the specific chat containing the invite message you wish to unsend. After accessing the chat, select the View Profile option to navigate to the profile of the individual to whom the message was sent. Tap on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A list of options will appear. From this list, select the Block option. Confirm the action by tapping on the Block option again. Once the user is blocked, revisit the chat. So there will be two options, which is unblock and delete. Select the delete option and confirm the action. So if you wish to unblock the user after deleting the message, navigate to their profile and select the unblock option. And so that is how you delete invite message on Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.